and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Monica and I do beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and many more type of videos on this channel. So if you guys are interested, you're right here, so you might as well subscribe. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve very beachy waves, especially now that we just started summer. This is a great hairstyle and it looks so effortless and it's so simple. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys some products that I like to use. Personally, you guys can use whatever you guys prefer, whatever you guys like best. So I'm gonna be using the Hot Tools curling iron. This one is and I bought this at Marshall's, so yeah. And because we are using heat in our hair, we're gonna go ahead and use a heat protector. So I'm gonna be using the Kenra, I don't know, honestly, I just call it Kenra. Thermal styling spray is this one right here. I also got my little brush, and this is the wet and dry brush, so the bristles are very, very flexible, so it's not gonna damage your hair. And the last product we're gonna be using is a texture hairspray. And the last thing we're gonna be using is a texture hairspray. This one is the Oasis Plus. You guys can also use hairspray or sea salt spray. Sea salt spray and texture hairspray is actually the same thing, so you guys can use either or. So yeah. So those are the tools I'm going to be using. So let me go ahead and heat up my curling iron so we can start. Okay guys, so the first thing I like to do is to spray my whole entire hair with the thermal spray. So I'm going to be grabbing it. Let me section my hair. Okay, and then I like to divide my hair into sections. So I usually just do down the middle, and then I'll grab one side with my hair tie, and then I'll work on one side and then I'll switch to the other side. I also like to comb my hair just a little bit. After that, I'm then gonna go ahead and section it again. So I usually will do half of my hair, so like this, and then I'll just twist it up. I'll twist it up and then I'll get it with a clip. And so now we just have this much hair to work with. Okay guys, now that we have our hair sectioned out, we're gonna go ahead and grab little pieces from our hair, about this much. I think that's about like an inch. And then with our curling iron, we're gonna open that, we're gonna twist it, and then we're gonna go by sections. And then the ends, we're just gonna be wrapping them, and then you just let it go. It's gonna be looking like this. And we just do the same thing over and over again. So let me show you guys. I usually section my hair a lot. So I'm gonna section that part. Then I'm gonna break this part. So pretty much you're gonna grab your curling iron. You're gonna open it. You're gonna put it in the middle. And then you're gonna twist. You're not gonna twist the whole entire hair. You're just gonna go by section. So then you slide it a little bit down, and then you twist. You slide it a little bit down, and then you twist. You slide it a little bit down, and then you twist. And the little end part, you just hold it against the curling iron. And since we are doing beachy waves, you do not have to hold the curl for a long time. Once you're done with one section, I then like to scrunch it up a little bit. And then I'll just move it back, and then I'll grab more hair. Okay guys, once you get into your last part and this is like your frame, you then gonna grab it, you're kind of like straightening it, and then you twist away. And then like when you guys slide it down, make sure you guys open the curling iron and then keep twisting. And then just let it drop. And with your fingers, like try to push it away from your face. So this is what's gonna be looking like right now. So let me go ahead and do the other side and I'll be back. So remember guys, you slide, twist, slide, twist, slide, twist. Okay guys, now that you guys have your whole entire hair curled, we're gonna go ahead and wait a couple minutes just so our hair is not warm. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so it's been a couple minutes. My hair it feels cold now, it does not feel warm. So then what we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna go ahead and separate them, which I already did. I'm then gonna grab my texture hairspray and I'm gonna spray my hair. Okay guys, now we're gonna go in with our fingers. Do not go with a brush. We're just gonna do this. Okay guys, and this is the end result. I feel like I love this hairstyle just because I have not really been into the curl hairstyle. I don't know why. I just love the beachy waves. I feel like it looks so relaxed, so like effortless. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you guys want me to do a video on what I do to maintain my hair healthy, I do bleach my hair a lot, so I do have to work really hard to maintain it healthy and shiny. If you guys are interested in a video like that, please let me know so I can do one for you guys. And yeah, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe and make sure to turn on the little bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!